Good morning, guys. Today we will learn how to do simple distillation. First, we have RBF, that is called round bottom flask, in which we have taken a mixture of liquids having different boiling points. We fix it. On a sandbar, and then we attach this column on the round bottom flask and thermometer. This is thermometer. This is paraffin wax in which we place the thermometer and then we fix it on the top of the column. Now this is condenser in which this is for the water. This is for water in and this is for water out. This is fixed with the tap. Now water is filled in the condenser. Now we turn on the burner. And this is your receiving flask. You can see first liquid is coming out, which has least boiling point. Now we can see the temperature.
35.
Its boiling point is 35 degrees Celsius as per the thermometer. So this is the liquid which is received. In the receiving funnel. So in this condenser, this is the tube. Water is coming in through it. See, this is the tube by which water is coming in, and this is the tube by which water is going out. You can see this is the water going out. Inside, see, you can see inside the condenser tube there is another tube through which liquid is coming to the receiver end. Now you can see liquid stops coming out of the condenser. That means first liquid comes out. Now it is a turn for the second liquid. Now we replace the receiving flask. Now second liquid starts coming out and its boiling point is 140 degrees Celsius.